this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today I will be reading Mouse's First Summer. One sunny summer day, Mouse and Minka came along to play. Tiptoe quick, off went Minka. Wait for me, said Mouse. What's over here? Wondered Mouse. Drippy, sweet, wet, red watermelon. Tasty, said Minka. What's under there? Wondered Mouse. Marching, munching, bold, black ants. Out of the way, said Minka. What's down there? Wondered Mouse. Tipsy, tumbly, tickly, green grass. Whee! Said Minka. What's up there? Wondered Mouse. Oh, so high, bright blue sky. Ooh, said Minka. What's this for? Wondered Mouse. Fluttery floats, an orange kite. Hold on, said Minka. What's in here? Wondered Mouse. Sweet tart sip, yellow lemonade. Oops, said Minka. What do we do with this? Wondered Mouse. Nibbly crumb, soft white bread, and sticky smooth brown peanut butter. And jiggly drip purple jelly. Yum, said Minka. Oh, what's all around? Wondered Mouse. Wink, blink, fireflies glowing. Try to catch one, said Minka. Then crackle, pop, boom. What's that? Wondered Mouse. Fireworks fly, every color in the sky. Hooray! Said Minka. The end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what books you'd like for me to read next. As always, thank you for listening.